A line L passing through a point B, O, and A is perpendicular to the line y equal x minus 1. The line intersect at the point A as shown in the diagram. So you have two lines that are perpendicular to each other. Now the questions are: find the equation of the line L. If point O is the midpoint of AB, show that the coordinates of point B are -half and 1/2. Part C. Show that the locus of point P is the parabola given by x plus y all square is equal to -4 open bracket x minus y, where point B is the focus and y equal x minus 1 is the directrix. Now let's find the equation of the line L first. So we know that two lines are perpendicular to each other. So we know that m1 times m2 equal -1. And we know the gradient of this one is 1. So therefore 1 times m is -1. So therefore m is -1. So this is the gradient of line L. And we know that the line L has a y-intercept of 0. So we use this equation here to find the equation of line L quicker. So y equal mx plus b. So we know b is 0 because its y-intercept is 0. And we know that gradient is -1. So therefore y equal -1 times x is -x plus 0. So just y equal -x. So this is y equal -x. Now we need to show that point B is -1/2 and 1/2. Now to do this, first of all, we need to find point A first because O is midpoint of A and B. So O is 0, 0. Now to find point A, we use simultaneous equation. So which is, first of all, y is equal to x minus 1. So which is, name this one here is equation number 1, and y is equal to -x. I name this equation number 2. If I add them up together, so this means 2y equal -1. So y must be -1/2. Now I substitute y value into equation number 2, so which means -1/2 is equal to -x. So therefore x must be equal to 1/2. So A is 1/2 and then -1/2. This is A. So I just write here. So it's 1/2, -1/2. Now I need to find point B. Of course, you can do it by inspection, by looking at the graph, but I'll just quickly use formula. So I know that midpoint is x equal x2 plus x1 divided by 2. So x is 0 because midpoint. So then x plus the x value is 1/2 divided by 2. So therefore x must be -1/2. Then to find the y value for B, so 0 equal y2 plus y1, which is y minus 1/2 divided by 2. So therefore y must equal to 1/2. So therefore point B is -1/2 and 1/2. So that's how you find B. Now part C. Show that the locus of point P is given by this equation here. In another word, we need to find the locus of P, where point B is the focus and the y equal x minus 1 is the directrix. Now, I just quickly draw a parabola along the line here, the axis. So P, I just draw somewhere along the parabola, and we know that the distance from focus point to P and the perpendicular distance to the line directrix, they're always equal. Okay, these are the facts. So I just named this is Q first. Now so you know that the both distance are equal. I just write down here somewhere. So BP is equal to PQ. So if I square both sides, they're still the same. So that's all I need to do. So I just find the distance of BP square and the distance of PQ square and put them equal, and that will give you the locus of point P. First of all, I just find the perpendicular distance first. So the distance, we know this is the line here from point B. So I just write this in the general form first. I move the y on that side. So this means x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, the rule is this. So PQ, the distance is PQ is equal to IX1 plus BY1 minus absolute value equal A square plus B square, square root of that. And the equation is this, and the point is this. So we just use that to do it. So I just put them in. So which is equal to A is 1. Of course, in this one here, I just write this equation down. So y minus 1 equals 0. So A is 1, B is negative 1, and C is negative 1 as well. So I just put them into equation. The point is x and y. So I just substitute that in. So P is xy. So which is give me Ix, which is A is 1. So x minus B is minus 1. So just minus y. And then minus C. Absolute value, just in case, is negative. That's what happened. So A and B, A square is 1 square plus 1 square is 2. So the answer of this is root 2. Sorry, C it should be 1. I just write it down. And then what happened is that if I square it, so BP square, so which is x minus y minus 1 all square over square root 2 square is 2. Now I have to expand this out. To expand this, I just quickly take the common factor out, negative factor, so you're left with y plus 1, so I can expand quickly. This is square all over 2. Now I use perfect square to expand it out. So x square, x times x plus y plus 1, and you double. So they give you out minus x, and then x y plus 1 plus y plus 1 all square all over 2. Then I just keep on going. So which give me x square minus 2xy minus 2x plus y square plus 2y plus 1 all over 2. So now I just simplify. Can I simplify anymore? No, I can't. That's it. So that is PQ square. Now I need to find the distance of BP. So BP is this. So BP is equal to, I square it. Okay, so which is x plus a half all square plus y minus a half all square. Now if I expand this, give me x square plus x plus a quarter plus y square minus y minus become plus a quarter. I simplify this, give me x square plus x plus y square minus y plus a half. So now I just put them both together. So which give me, I just move a bit. So I just equate them. So which is BP square equal PQ square. So this is BP square. I just write it down. So x square plus x plus y square minus y plus a half is equal to pq squared, which is this equation here. So which is x squared minus 2xy minus 2x plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 all over 2. Now I times 2 both sides. So if I times 2 both sides, this will give me 2x squared plus 2x plus 2y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equal to x squared minus 2xy minus 2x plus y squared plus 2y plus 1. Now I just simplified it now. So which is x squared here, I move on this side. So that become, because I move on this side, so become x squared minus 2x squared minus x squared. So left with x squared. And similarly, these 2xy minus move on this side. It give me plus 2xy. And then the y squared, I move on this side and cancel with this plus y squared. Then the 2x minus 2x, I move on that side, become add that another 2x, give me 4x. And my 2y here, I move on this side, minus 2y minus 2y minus 4y. And then the 1 cancel out. So which equal to 0. Now, you can recognize this. This is perfect square. So if you factorize this, it gives me x plus y all square. And this one, I move on this side because I'm aiming for this equation here. Okay, so I move the other two on the right hand side. So what I do, I move these two, both of these on this side. So which is give me negative 4x plus 4y. If I take the negative 4 out, it gives me x minus y. So x squared, x plus y all square is equal to this. This is the locus of point P along the parabola. This is what it is. Thank you so much for watching.